Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith and today I am testing out Hourglass's Vanish Liquid Foundation for those of you with oily skin. My T-zone is usually pretty oily, and as you can see I have some acne as well. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm just priming the right side of my skin. I'm not going to prime the left side so we can get a good look at the foundation's performance. I'm just color matching my foundation. I took a few swatches here and I ended up choosing the color chestnut. That looked like the best match for me. And I'm really just working this in with my brush to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. And this went on really nicely. I really enjoyed the texture of it and it just felt really nice. Okay, next I'm going to use a small setting powder brush to apply the translucent setting powder by Hourglass. And now I'm going to lightly dust that off. And I'm really making sure that it's on the areas around my eyes and my neck as well so that we can really get a good look at how this performs. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm also going to show you guys some photos that I took, and yeah, follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I will come back before it gets dark outside and show you guys the rest. Hola, welcome back. It was really hot today and I did a lot, like I moved around a lot. I was taking pictures, I was out. This still held up really well. Happy with the color of it, of the foundation. It's a good color for me. It looks pretty good. It doesn't feel uncomfortable on my skin. I did notice throughout the day that I was wearing makeup because if I like scratch my skin or something, then it would transfer onto something else. And that's kind of interesting because I really love the Hourglass setting powder. I put it all over my skin, but for some reason the foundation is still transferring, so it's not a perfect setting powder, but it works really well for my oily skin. And for some reason with this foundation it didn't prove its power. It didn't. Maybe I would have to use a better primer or something. So I mean, the only complaints that I have about this foundation is that it transfers. It doesn't really just stick onto your skin. I actually put primer on the right side of my face. I don't know if it makes that big of a difference, but I even asked my mom and she said like that the left side looked like it was primed. I asked her, which side do you think is primed, left or right? And she said left, but the right side is primed. So I don't know exactly what happened there, but I don't know. I feel like the setting powder and the primer didn't really make or break this foundation. If anything, for some reason it broke it a little bit. So yeah, besides that, I like this foundation. I don't think it's going to be a go-to for me. Yeah, I still really like Beauty Bakery's foundation. That's really been a go-to for me. If you want to see that video, then click that button right there, that little eye. But besides that, it didn't smudge or anything. It didn't really sink into my pores. The texture of my skin does look a little bit more pronounced, but it didn't irritate my skin or anything. It looks pretty good. It looks really great on camera all day long. By the way, I have on Fenty's new bronzer and I'm going to be posting that video really soon. Just don't forget to subscribe for that video and for more videos in general. And don't forget to like this video if you like this video. And thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day or night or whatever it is. And subscribe. Okay, bye guys.